Well friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out the Caperci heated lunchbox. Well, it's more like a little heated container that you can take anywhere with you. So if you are working or something and you don't want to use a microwave to heat up your food, or maybe your office doesn't have a microwave available, this little guy, just open this up. It's a little container here, and we have a heat source there. We can just heat up our thing. So this is like a food grade stainless steel, not microwavable. It's pretty sweet. And then it has this silicone thing around here, so you can put your keep your food right in there, nice and free from bugs and whatnot. And then we have a cord here. Doesn't want to come out of there, but we have a cord in there. Okay. So this just plugs in. Basically you have your little meal from the night before, or put a little enchilada in there or whatever, and just put it in there. Plug this in, and it has this little plug in right here in the side. Going to actually just go ahead and wash this container, and we'll heat some food up in here to see how long it takes. But this is pretty sweet though. It just keeps, you can just lock this down into place, so your food's not going to spill out everywhere. You have it in your little lunch box there, whatever, and you can just take it out, and when you're ready to have yourself a little meal, just do it. So I'm going to plug this in real quick, and I'm going to go wash this out, maybe throw a little bit of leftovers in here and see how it works. Okay, my friends, well, I have some food here. Put my lid on there, and then just put that on there. Okay, so basically you just plug it in and it starts heating up right away. So I'm not sure how long exactly it takes, but when you plug it in, oops, it helps if I don't unplug the other plug. There we are. So this little indicator light comes on right on the side there, and then it is heating up your food. Okay, so I just put it in there. Pretty much you put your lid on, and I put this in there and then just stick the lid on top of that. So I think it's pretty much like a little miniature pressure cooker, maybe, without like the crazy pressure, obviously. I'm gonna give it like 5 minutes, and I'll come back and we'll see what the temperature is. Got a refrigerated food that I stuck in there, so I kind of want to see. So we'll be right back. Well, friends, I checked it after about 5 minutes. There were parts of it that were about 60 to 90 degrees, so it's been about 15 minutes total. Feels kind of warm now, so let's just open this little thing up, make sure there's all the, pull this out. I can unplug my thing here, and we'll see. It smells good. How hot it is here. I'm not sure exactly how hot, like overall, this is supposed to make it. So we're sitting at about 130. Right on the top here, 122, 100, 121. So let me go get a spoon here. All right, I'll do the taste test. So the outside isn't like super hot here. That's about perfect temperature. That's about perfect temperature. So if I stir it up here, we're looking at about like 135, 140 degrees. So it's hot, but it's not so hot that it like scalds you. It's like perfect temperature. So Roughly, it takes about 15 minutes to heat this up. And it's quite uniform in the heating actually. I haven't really noticed any like cold spots. Like sometimes you microwave food, you got a cold spot and then a really hot spot or whatever. It seems fairly uniform. Takes a little bit longer to heat that up. So if you were going to use this for, you're at work, you want a lunch break, go ahead and pop your food and get that ready about 15, 20 minutes before. Your food's going to be nice, uniformly hot and ready to go. So anyways, pretty cool little idea, my friends. Obviously not as fast as a microwave, but a lot of people don't like microwaving their food, thinking like heating up the particles in there and maybe not good for your food or whatever. But pretty sweet little idea. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. I hope it was helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.